This is, this is your weapon right here. Is the trigger.
Oh, these joints look. Working that black. This don't got glue right here. What is that? Ew, yeah. Yeah, I like that jump. This purple jump look crazy, bro. You need to put one of these jumps on that.
Just to test it.
Okay, nice. All right, y'all. We in this jump. Looking sweet. We in the gun show right now. These jumps look crazy, bro.
Zion.
Custom style blocks. What, you going live?
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel.
You do?
13,000 subscribers.
Hey, there you go.
Damn, that's that Mac. Mom said he got one of these jumps. Can't even put that shit in the vlog. Just got some federal. Oh, yeah.
Get a pic of me just holding on.
Dang, Slim. This jump like that. That's some shit I curry. What a Drake's at, fool? I'm trying to see an AIP. Damn. Them jumps crazy, cuz.
Why am I not playing one yet?
I don't even want no shotgun. I don't want no sniper either. I'm trying to carry a motherfucking Glock. Yeah. Not for real, yeah. See, AIP or something. MP5? What the fuck? This nigga about to get an MP5.
It's not a mic. Yeah, well, you take the tap off and you look inside there and you take that.
What the fuck? Yeah, it's exactly what I'm trying to carry, bro. Dang. How you pick your joint up on the ground? Huh? You had yours picked up without the tags and everything. I ain't even see that shit. Damn. It's 3,000. 3,000 for this? Oh no. Let me see your phone. Actually, let me. All these motherfucking blocks.
Oh, yeah, this is Gen 3. Gen 5, they did away with the.
Yeah. These blocks look real crazy. Crazy things. I don't see. Dang. This shit look crazy. That shit looks sweet. This shit looks fat. Wave your hand. Who that? It's Kendall. Yeah, where you go? This junk little as I don't know what, bro.
Still, I won't be able to film my release.
Bro, like having a field day in here though.
They got cameras and shit.
Of course they gonna have cameras, nigga. Everybody trying to grab them one of these. Man, get yourself one of these. It's a chicken salad. Hey. I wanna pick one of these joints up, bro. That's all I wanna do.
You said what?
Hold that Drake real quick. I'm working that flat.
What?
I'm gonna hold a Drake. Hold that Drake, I'm working that fat. I'm like, it's a 5. I got here with a black.
Flashing on me. This what you need right here. You want one of these? You can take
Yeah.
it.
So the 5x6 is
Got a license to this.
Yeah.
No, give it to me.
Here you go. How the fuck is somebody get hit with a black?
Yeah, that's completely different. That's what I'm saying.
Dang.
Especially with these. This is, you know, this is your weapon right here. Is the trigger. So,
All these Jones look. Working at black. This one got glue right here. What is that? Ew, yeah. Yeah. I like that jump. I'm trying to hop out working at flat. I was like, somebody got hit. Is that, bro, what's a king, fool? I don't even see the sight on that jump. I love holding up these jumps. Dang! This jump looks alright, I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, I don't want to be here, bro.
It's these right here. Knives. I can get a knife from the store. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I could really bag one of these.
where the 50 round at?
Do you have drums?
No jump.
What Chris is that?
Yeah, man.
That's all I'm doing. Can I get a beamer?
Hop out working at drinking that flat. That's what this is. Oh, yeah. Dang, young. Hop out working at drinking that flat.
These are not all beamers. Fights. It's the only one they had.
Man, I know if it was a death match in this joint, I'd get murked. Some of these niggas already got shit on them, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, bro.
I'd get murked.
I get murked.
I'm already knowing they nice, bro. I know they nice and shit.
When he shot Rob,
I'm already
he not even
knowing.
fucked with, bro. Certain people, yo, you just know not to fuck with, bro.
I'm already knowing that, bro.
What the fuck? Man's looking around.
This joint like a whole warehouse, though. Joint big as shit. Got these war helmets. Like a war general. How come on your head just like a bitch? Trying to shoot that Drake in your head from afar. I need me LGBTQ because your gun pink. Niggas be doing anything with them Glocks. Them little turk. I ain't. Hop out, blowing that, drinking that flat. It's a vibe game with that black. There you go, dude. Had a loot. Searching for loot. Niggas realize I got knives in this joint. But they got everything.
This is your criteria.
Yo, some hard shit I can say on the festa, yo. Some hard shit I can say.
Oh, I'm trying to work a drink. Dang, oh. Young. This purple junk look crazy, bro. You need to put one of these junks on that. Yeah, I gotta leave here. Don't fuck. Bro, niggas gonna feel like niggas not scared of you, bro. Fuck. Dang.
What?